Hi there, students. To obnubilate, obnubilate, a verb, obnubilated as an adjective. Okay, this literally means to obscure with clouds, to cover with clouds. So the sky was obnubilated by a coming storm. The obnubilated sky was so dark that it was clear it was going to rain. Yeah. The grey clouds obnubilated the sky to the point where I thought night was falling. Okay, so it's to take the light away from something, to darken something, to obscure it. I guess you could say dusk fell, and the lack of light began to obnubilate the room. Yeah. The room was obnubilated as it was only lit by a single candle. Now you can go further with this and then use this metaphorically. So something that obnubilates confuses, makes something less clear. So very often when students write essays, they have very good ideas, and the ideas that they're using are very good. The problem is these ideas are obnubilated by bad English or bad grammar or insufficient command of the language to explain them properly. They are confused, they're obscured, the clear ideas, they're blurred. Yeah. So the words that he said only obnubilated the matter. It made it even more indistinct. It made it even more difficult to understand. It blurred the idea. Okay, so the scene was obnubilated by a lack of light, but memories can become obnubilated as time passes. You remember things less and less well, and your memories become more and more obnubilated. Alcohol can obnubilate clear thinking. Yeah, if you've drunk too much, your thoughts become obnubilated. So it doesn't have to just be dark clouds obnubilating the sky. It can be something that confuses the matter, that leaves you unable to think clearly. Please explain this in a simple way, and don't obnubilate it, because I think very often a bad explanation can obnubilate something to the point where it becomes more and more and more difficult to actually understand the meaning. Okay, so to obscure, to make something difficult to see, to make something more complicated, to hide something, to blur something, and that's the idea. So notice this word is it's a formal, this is a literary word. I think I'm obnubilate. I'm going to give this a 7, maybe 7.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, better with something poetic. Semi-formal or formal writing is the perfect place for it. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from meaning across, yeah, and nubilo, to clouds, or nubes, clouds. So there are clouds across, clouds across something, there are clouds across it, and you can't see very well. Okay, so to obnubilate, to cover with cloud. So I hope this explanation has clarified the meaning of obnubilate, and I hope my explanation has not obnubilated its meaning. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Obnubilate.